What is collocations? എവിടാണ് ഈ collocations യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ in reading and writing fill in the blanks we need to have 4 skills. The first is reading skill and the second is grammar, third is vocabulary and the last one is collocations. So what do you mean by collocations? Collocations are predictable combinations of words. For example, we say as heavy rain but we don't say strong rain. So collocations can be made up of any kinds such as nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs. So today we are going to discuss about the 5 collocations you need to know. The first, cast a globe. So what do you mean by cast a globe? It means a light source that illuminates the surrounding area. ഈ cast a globe വെച്ചിട്ടൊരു സെൻറ്റൻസ് പറയണമെങ്കിൽ the sunset cast a glow on the horizon. The second collocation is you took my breath away. ഇതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ to cause an overwhelming feeling by someone due to something. Normally when someone says you took my breath away എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ to be extremely or to be beautiful or surprising. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു സെൻറ്റൻസ് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ the view from the window took my breath away. The third one is bustling cities. So what do you mean by bustling cities എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ a busy city എന്നാണ്. For example, a sentence, New York is a bustling city with people walking down the streets in all hours of the day. Fourth collocation is anticipation is palpable. It means anticipation is more. It refers to a situation in which there is a high degree of anticipation, which is something exciting. Example, as we waited for the firework display, the anticipation was palpable. Fifth one is enthrall the audience. Enthrall means impressed. Example, the baseball game was enthralled by the audience. So these are the 5 collocations. See you.